Please subscribe to UiPath Expo Hub channel and hit the bell icon. Be the first person to watch the latest automation video. Hello friends, we are going to see how to deploy a project in the modern folder using machine template. This itself is a very interesting chapter and I am sure you may not find any videos on YouTube as of now. So the modern folder is a different concept and using a machine template is a different concept, and how they can be tied together and how you can deploy a project is something we are going to see in this video. Right now, yesterday I have created a project or a video where I have shown you how to deploy a project using the floating robot. Hope you guys have enjoyed that particular video. If you have seen that already, now this is the next set of learning that you should have on deploying a project in the modern folder using the machine template. Myself Rakesh from UiPath Expo Hub, and we bring more interesting topics every day for you to learn in UiPath and master UiPath. So please do subscribe to our channel and please do like all the videos that you're watching. Thank you very much. Let's get started. So the very first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to log into the platform.uipath.com, and from there I'm going to show you how to implement in a modern folder, right? So the very first thing I will do, I am going to switch myself to any modern folder, right? So let's say project to development team. This is a modern folder. So now once I have switched to modern folder, the very first thing that I have to do is I have to use a machine template, I said, right? So it works along with the machine template. So for that, what I'm going to do, I'm going to select the machine template on the left hand side. So let me go to machines. Okay, now already there is a template got created. Now just to show you, let me create a new template, and here project dev to team. Okay, for them I'm creating a new template, and here I have only one license in the community edition, so I'm just using one. Click on provision. Okay, so now what happened, your machine got provision, I mean it got added. Okay, but again there are no robots. So remember, in modern folder you do not go to robots page and add robots. There is no such options to add robots. Okay, so how the robots are getting added, so how it is added is, let me go to folders and project to development team. You have to see who are the users. So let's say Rakesh is a user, so his machine will get added. Okay, so whoever are the users, they will have automatic access to this particular project folder. Okay, so they will have a robot automatically get created. So it is a auto provision of robots that happens in a modern folder. So all you have to do is go to folders and see who are those people. So right now I see I am the person who have access to this particular folder. Right now what I'm going to do, I am going to upload a package. So uploading a package is quite simple. Yesterday I have shown it. You go to UiPath Studio and build a small workflow and you are uploading it. So once you upload, you will get it here in the package section. Okay, so once it is uploaded, the next thing that you want to do is you want to deploy this to Rakesh now. Okay, so when in Rakesh machine or my machine, when I open the UiPath assistant, right, when I open it, what happens, I right now I have to check where it was connected. So first of all, let me disconnect my UiPath robot. So yesterday I have connected to some other settings, so it is already connected. So first of all, what I should do is I should disconnect, because I am using a modern folder, so I have to enter into a different configuration. So for that, let me disconnect. Okay, so first my URL remains same. Okay, but the machine key will be different. So how do you get the machine key? So for that, what I'm going to do, I am going to come over here, and just now I have created a template, right, project to development team. I am going to copy this machine key and I can give it to all the members of the team. So machine key, it is not machine specific when you are creating a machine template. So this key can be provided to n number of people in the team. So let's say I am one of the member and I am going to enter this machine key and get connected. Okay, so I got connected using the machine key. Now what I'm going to do, yesterday I have shown you the floating robot. Now today I'm going to show you how could I get, so I'm connected now. Now if I go back to this one and try to refresh it, So what is happening, there are certain projects that I see. So for that, what I supposed to do is, because this project should not come, okay, why this project should not come, when I go to modern folder and go to processes, okay, so there is no project, right? So that's why, because it was linked with the previous edition, that's why I have to, the first thing you do is go to orchestra settings, because this has to go out, this should not be there. And let me disconnect, let me close it. This one you should remember, because most of the time you will have challenge. So try to ensure all the process is vanished, okay, there is no process. Now what you do, let me go to, so you can see in this modern folder, in this particular project, I have only one process, that is hello welcome. This is the only process, so it should only show that particular process, right? So for that, what I'm going to do, I'll go to machines and try to reconnect once again. So let me get the machine key, go to orchestra settings, and here you wanted to reconnect. I don't know if the machine key is changing or not. Let me try again. So you can see it here, right? AB5, ending with AB5, so it is correct. So go here and paste it and connect. So with that, it should get connected with the machine. Now once it got connected, now the next thing it should happen is, when I go to UiPath Assistant, again you can see it is pulling some other old processes, it's not pulling the right one. See, demo project HR team 1, demo project HR team 2. So reason being, in the this all are coming from the classic folder, so I don't want that. I only want this to have only this particular process. So for that, what you do, go to folders. So you are understanding step by step. So I'm going to project to development team, I have selected that, and here in the machine template, what I'm going to do, I'm going to add this machine template. So the machine template name is project dev 2 team, and I'm going to assign it. Okay, so once it is assigned, you can see unattended robot. Okay, now what you do, go back and try to refresh. So what is happening, in case this is not yet coming, you can see that, right? Only the older processes are coming. You are seeing the, this processes are not getting removed, it's still having the old one. Okay, this generally happens. All you do, this all are coming from the classic folder. Okay, so go back to your classic folder, the default folder. So there, what is happening, you had a robot which is deploying this. So all you do, you have to literally remove this particular robot. So let me try to remove it. Okay, so once it is removed, what is happening, it should not be able to deploy any kind of process. Okay, now you can see it got refreshed and you got the right one. So these are the couple of things that you should know. So from experience it does come. Why it happens is, the same robot you have connected using two different folders. So and there was already a project which is having a green signal, right? So you have to remove that robot or delete that robot manually when we are switching from the classic folder to modern folder. So this is one of the rule that you should remember. So you got to see how I have fixed it. So this is how, from the experience, you will get to know. More you work on this orchestrator, more you discover and more you understand how to use them. All right, I hope this video would be very helpful when you are deploying a project in your company. So please do stay connected with us, and do subscribe to all our videos. Please do like all our videos, please do subscribe to our channel. Everything would help. Thank you so much, guys. You guys have a wonderful day.